Yep. 17 months old, and her Ak mommy is teaching her how to dunk cookies in milk. I'm gonna give her Ak mommy her toothbrush too and brush her teeth tonight. Oh, your daddy's just gonna think that's too cute when he gets back in town. Made a mess. Let mommy get it. Mommy got it. Give it to mama. Or not. She said, I'm not giving up that cookie. Is it yum yum? Is it yum yum? Is it yum yum? Lauren? Is it yum yum? Sure, get cookies all over her right after I've given her a bath.
She dunking.
You've just been here before.
It's just like her eating that popcorn. Like,
sitting there, ain't even looking at the bowl.
I ain't even looking at the bowl, just reaching in and getting popcorn.
Watching TV, legs crossed. You ain't fooling nobody.
Uh-oh.
Cookie, go bye-bye.